Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus Certified Pre-Owned units. It is a 2017 IS 300 F Sport Series 2 in the ultrasonic blue Mica 2.0. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, F-Sport front grille, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, windshield wiper de-icer, blind spot monitor with a rear cross traffic alert, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 10.3-inch multimedia display with the integrated backup camera and navigation, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive mode select, sunroof. Take a look at the rear. Black leather interior, in really good shape, and of course comes with the built-in Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.